Hi, and welcome to our guided meditation. Thank you for showing up to bring more calmness to your life. This is a beautiful opportunity for you to take some time for yourself and explore the power of meditation. Let us begin. Get settled into a comfortable position. You can sit on a cushion, chair, lay on your bed, wherever you feel comfortable. Try to find your center of balance. Now, focus on your breath. Let's start by taking 3 deep breaths. Be aware of your inhale, gently exhale. Take another deep breath. Inhale, gently exhale. And then let your breath become natural. Notice any emotions or thoughts you may have. Simply notice them without trying to change anything. There is no need to control. You are here at this very moment. Thoughts may come and go, just let them pass. This is a time to just be, focusing on your breath. Your mind will eventually enter into a state of stillness. Now, notice the sensations in your body. Let your body sink further into your position, working out any tensions and adjusting yourself as necessary. Relax your shoulders, your neck, your hands, feet, your whole body. You will become more and more relaxed. Then come back to your breath as your base. You are becoming more and more present for each breath. Continue to inhale and exhale throughout the rest of this meditation. When you're ready, open your eyes and move your body gently. Thank yourself for taking this time today. Thank you for joining us today. Have a wonderful day.